Hey guys, this is Amy Ediger from the DRC. Today we are going to show you how to make an easy 2-minute frozen fruit smoothie with your kids. I know it's been kind of a hard time right now being home and being self-quarantined, so I just wanted to show you guys some fun things that you guys can do with your kids, and one of them is making a smoothie with your kids. So I have Avery here and I have Noah, and they're going to help me make some smoothies. Are you guys ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, Avery chose a couple of fruits. What did you choose today?
Frozen and mango.
And some pineapple too, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to choose a fruit of a choice and some orange juice, okay? So we'll need about 1.5 cups of fruit. So Avery, go ahead and put your fruit in first. Okay, the next thing is your orange juice, and you'll need about 6 to 8 ounces of orange juice. And she's going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay, and then we'll just screw on the lid here. And then we're going to put it in our bullet. And then go ahead and press the start button. About 10 to 20 seconds. All right. Depending on how thick you want it to be, if you want it a little bit thinner, you're going to add more orange juice to this, okay? And we're going to try it out, aren't we? So hers is just a little bit thick, and most kids, I think, like it a little bit thicker because it's kind of like a milkshake. So she's going to try it and see what it tastes like, okay? Let's pour it in a cup. It might be a little bit easier. Okay? Try it and see what you think. Okay, here we go. So, what do you think?
It tastes really good.
Oh, yay! Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we've got, what was your choice of fruit?
Strawberries and bananas.
Okay, so we cut up 1 banana and we did about 1/2 cup of strawberries. Now, I do want to tell you that you can use fresh fruit for your smoothie. So we did a fresh banana, but we also added some frozen strawberries. When you do frozen fruit, it's going to help blend it better. If you use fresh fruit, you're going to want to put ice with your smoothie, okay? So we're going to do about 1.5 cups of fruit, and he's going to dump it in. There you go. And then he chose almond milk. Now you can use any milk you want. You can do almond milk, you can do soy milk, you can do regular milk, but we chose almond milk. And you'll want to do about 6 to 8 ounces of almond milk for this one. All right. Then we're going to screw this back on. And then he's going to press the start button. Okay. All right, you ready to try it? Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead and grab your cup over there. All right. Tell me what you think. Well,
really good.
Good. Okay. Well, that's it. This will be posted on our Derby Rec website. So thank you all and have a great day.